Hey guys, Riley here. Look at my new Look at this new webkins. Just kidding. We're at the Sports
Authority.
I just spit somewhere. We're at the Sports Authority, and we're going to be pranking all these cars that go by.
Trolling with
this pig. We're gonna be troll-lol-lol-lols, and I'm here with Bella, or not Bella. Oh, I'm getting my friends mixed up. I'm here with McKenna. Say hi, McKenna.
Hi guys.
She's visiting for Christmas, so yeah, I'm so happy. Check out our video that we made here. Well, actually, there's two. Here, I will put a link. One right here, and another one right here. So there and there. Check out the videos. All right, so shall we start, McKenna?
Yeah.
All right. By the way, if you're wondering who Bella is, here's a link to our other video that has 200 views. Thank you guys so much. Here, right here. Here, it'll go there. Okay, so go to any of those videos. Links will be in the description too. I'll probably be lazy and not do it. Okay.
I'll be making that. Piggy noises! Piggy noises!
You guys have to really be here. Owlie, I wish you were here.
Who's out? Who's Owlie? I forgot.
Oink! You too, Sarah. I wish you were here. Oink! Oink!
Piggy noises! Meow!
Oink! Oink!
My God! My God fell!
Oink! Oink! Look at the freaking pig! Oink! Oink! Look at the freaking